Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix TonKeeper Collectibles not showing up in the TonKeeper wallet application. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, I'm just gonna show you guys how it's done. So first of all, I'm just gonna go to TonKeeper wallet, go to browser, scroll down, and here you should be able to see your collectibles. However, if you cannot see them, what you're gonna have to do is just offload your application if you are on an iPhone device or another iOS device. If you are on an Android device, just delete the cache of this application. If it still doesn't fix your problem, you should try restarting your device. If you do all of this and it still doesn't work, what you can do is just delete the TonKeeper application and download it once again, and this should hopefully fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can try contacting TonKeeper support. And yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.